Hi, my name is Bleddyn Harris and I joined the Academy. It was just over halfway through as a Senedd Cymru employee. The question that I'm going to be answering for you today is, what advice would you give to your children? And should I ever choose to adopt, the advice that I would give is a quote by Leonardo da Vinci that's always resonated with me. And that is, people of accomplishment rarely sat back and let things happen to them. They went out and happened to things. And for me, that means going out and taking every opportunity that is available to me, and where there are none, creating them. The world is out there for the taking. So give yourself the opportunity and the permission to realise your potential and grab it with both hands.
Hi, my name is Chloe Wentstone. I'm an Executive PA to the CEO and Chairman of Principality Building Society and a participant on the Future Generations Academy. My most rewarding part of the Academy so far has definitely been reverse mentoring the CEO of a Welsh organisation. Having the opportunity to be one-on-one with the CEO, talk to them, give them guidance, advice, offer my insight as a young person in Wales has been a really valuable experience. I've learned a lot about myself, I've learned about leadership, and it's something that I really think is going to benefit me moving forward as a future leader of Wales.
I'm Dan Trout, I'm a civil engineer from Arran. I specialise in sustainable drainage design, which uses natural processes to reduce flood risk and pollution, whilst also introducing much needed biodiverse green space. Over the past year on the Leadership Academy, I've developed my communication and leadership skills, but I think one of the most important things is that it's stretched me to consider sustainability in all that I do, both in my projects but also personally.
What I would say to the future generations to come, and my own children, is to never be afraid to challenge those in a position of power, as decisions they make today and tomorrow will profoundly affect the future generations to come. My favourite part on the Leadership Academy was a reverse mentoring stage, seeing how the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, the 7 Wellbeing Goals and the 5 Ways of Working were being embodied across the Myron Bevan Health Board. Judith also helped me to identify my own strengths and weaknesses, which is something I'm really grateful for. To anyone out there who is thinking about joining the next cohort, I urge you to apply. You all have your own experiences and background, which can be brought along and shared with others. This is a great experience and a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so I urge you to apply. I'd like to say thank you to the Future Generations Commissioner and Uprising UK for allowing me to have this opportunity.